Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at our CAD arc, and this will be a practical for it. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we head into the program here. Now in the previous video we looked at another practical, how to use the curvatures. Now in today's video we're going to be looking at something a little bit more advanced, and that is how to make this rectangle with rounded edges. So I'm going to leave you guys up to do it. How you get there you can choose yourself. I'm not going to say you have to use A, B and C. So I'm gonna let you guys try that, and then afterwards I'll show you the process I took to get this result. But otherwise, pause here, give it a try, and if you don't come right, just unpause and I'll show you. Okay, so if you've tried it or haven't gotten it right, I'm quickly gonna run through the process I took, so you guys can see in case you missed something, or maybe you just want to see another process other than the one you took. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this. I'm going to start off by adding some base lines. So the first one, I'm going to make it 60 wide, and everything else I'll leave the same. And then I'm going to add another line. I'm also going to make it 60, but this time I'm going to lift it half the width high. So I'm going to make it 30 up. So we've got another enclosing box. Then what I want to do is put a apologies, I want to put a guide in the middle, and then with the guide I'm just going to go 10 more. So I'm going to make this one minus 10 minus 10 more on each side, minus 10 and 70. Then what I'm typing here, 70 to the right. Then the height, I'm going to make it half of 30, so that'll be 15 and 15. Say okay, and then we've got our guide there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to our curve or arc tool, should I say, and then I'm going to go to the arc 3 points and simply tie the dots. So I'm going to go to the bottom first, click on that, middle guide, then the top line, got our first arc. And now important, remember, do not go from the bottom up, otherwise we're going to get a inside curve. We want to now go from the top down. So we're going to go top, middle, bottom. We've got our curve. I'm going to select the middle and just remove that with the delete key, and there you go, we've got that rectangle with the rounded edges. Now obviously, depending on that middle guide, you can round this out even more, but keep in mind, make that guide too long and it's going to start bulging out by the sides, so you're going to start getting these circles on the sides of your cylinder. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the practical. I hope it helped you guys, and I hope it challenged you at least a little bit. Yeah, otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.